Sir. Today topic is light reflection and diffraction. In this topic we'll discuss problems. In the previous class we discussed problems. Okay, questions we discussed. So now we are going to discuss about problems in this chapter. We'll see. So coming to the chapter, so problems will be there in the chapter. We'll see what problems we are going to discuss. Question and answers. In the previous live class I discussed. Today we will discuss a few problems. Okay. Related to that we'll discuss. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Whatever we are discussing, those are very, very important. That's why we are working on it. Okay. So we'll work out on it. If you have any doubts regarding that, let me know. So you can ask questions. So one by one. Now, so here an object is placed. So question number 1, an object is placed. Question, an object is placed. At a distance of 10 centimeter, from a convex mirror, okay, of focal length 15 centimeter, full stop. Find the position and the nature of the image and the nature of the image. So this is the question. So you can observe now. So here is the question. The question is, you can check here. An object is placed. Right? At a distance from a convex mirror. Here, which mirror it is? Convex mirror. So the given mirror is convex mirror. So you can take here. Okay. So now you can check. They given about convex mirror. Here you have to underline this convex mirror. And one more thing, focal length is given. You can underline this point also. So an object is placed at a distance of okay. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So object. So it is object distance given. How much distance? 10 centimeter. So you can write object distance and convex focal length. So this you can mention focal length. Find the position and the nature of the image. So nature. So in convex mirror, so anyway, so nature of the image, virtual, erect and diminished image. Virtual, erect and diminished image. That is sure. Why diminished image? So we have to understand, if you know the nature of the mirrors. So easily we can identify without reading, without solving also we can understand easily. So we can understand easily, right? So without writing, without learning only, so without solving only, without solving you can understand, we can understand, we can write, we can write. Why? Because it's a convex mirror, right? So in convex mirror, what type of image will form in convex mirror? Always virtual erect and diminished image. That is sure. Virtual erect and diminished image. So very, very important, right? Very, very important. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. So first of all, we have to write the distance. So what is the distance? Distance is object distance. So here convex, what are the mirror it is? So we are taking a convex mirror like this. Convex mirror. So I am taking here, that is pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Pole, focus and center of curvature. So first answer, given data, answer, given data. So what is the given data? You can check the given data. What is the given data? Given data is, so object distance. Object distance is positive or negative. Always object must be placed in front of the mirror. So object must be placed in front of the mirror. So that's why minus 10 centimeter. Minus 10 centimeter. Next one, focal length is positive. Focal length is positive for convex mirror. So I am taking 15 centimeter. Focal length is positive. So that is sure. So need no doubt at all in that. Hi Sushma Singh. Which grade, which class are you? Which grade are you studying? So okay. So object distance, focal length. So we need to find out the image distance, right? Image distance. So image distance we have to find out. So we can find out image distance. So for finding the image distance, what is the formula we have to use? Mirror formula. So because this is the mirror, so you have to understand one thing. One more thing is that is a mirror. Mirror. So mirror means, what is the formula for mirror? You have 1 by f equal to, this is the mirror formula. Mirror formula. Mirror formula. So what is the mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by v plus 1 by u. So you can substitute here. So anyway, focal length, everything is positive. Now you substitute the values. If you substitute the values, you can see 1 by f equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by v, how much we have to find out 1. So here already we know, right? Focal length we know. So substitute the focal length. So what is the focal length value? Value of focal length is minus 15. So here focal length is minus 15 and by 1 plus 1 by v plus 1 by minus 10. 1 by minus 10. So good, sir. Thank you so much. Now you can see, so 1 by v equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. 1 by 15, right? 1 by v, yeah, so we need one v value. We need v value. So that's why retain 1 by v in the same place. So take this 1 by 10 value to here. Then you will get it 1 by v equal to LCM. LCM is how much? LCM, how much we can take? So here if you want to find out LCM, you can take like this. So 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja. So 30 is the LCM. 30 is the LCM. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. No. So then, now you can see, sir, your teaching is so good. Why are you so under it? Okay, so 1 by 30. Thank you for your compliment. Definitely one day we'll get. Hey, we are Devil Gaming. Extraordinary, boss. Very good, correct. So if you tell your name, I will write your name on the board. Those who say correct answer, so we'll be giving reward by writing name on the board. So if you tell, I'll write the name. Devil Gaming. What's your name? If you are willing. Otherwise, no problem. Okay, here see, this is the answer. This is the answer. You can see an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. So here you need to understand one thing. You need to understand one thing. So whenever the questions, if they give like this, first we have to identify the data. Nitin. Okay. So Nitin rewarded as the 5 star. So I'm giving 5 star per 5 star those who say correct answer. So getting 5 star, not that 5 star. So here 5 star. Nitin, very good. So according to your whatever you given spelling, I'm writing that only. So if let me know if it is wrong. Very good, Nitin, correct. So before me, you said the answer. Nice. Here you see, this is the answer. So once again, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So whenever they given the values, immediately if you mark like this, immediately you'll get the answer. Immediately you can understand. What exactly the question, how we have to solve. Immediately we have to answer. First, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So mark object distance and from a convex mirror. For convex, here immediately by seeing the mirror we can understand, we can draw the diagram. Okay, so how it at least how it will be like this. If you draw like this, okay, so we can identify. And the focal length is 15. So this focal length is 15. Convex mirror, focal length is 15. So this is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, right? Find the position and nature of the image. Correct only. Like this. Over here we can see 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So if it is comes this side, positive. 1 by 15. Mirror formula. We need 1 by V value. Okay. Focal length is, here focal length is positive. Convex mirror is focal length is positive, right? That one we missed. Here focal length is positive. So convex mirror, right? Focal length is positive. That's why I'm saying. So here 15. Here you have to write 15. So 15 you can take. So we have to verify. Finally, we have to verify we are getting correct answer or not. So here 1 by 15. Okay, 15 we are taking. So once again check here. Actually focal length is positive. Here we missed out. So once again check. So 1 by V. Okay, so if you are taking this value 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Now you can take 30. So 32 plus 3. That's the reason I am checking. So why you are getting the answer. So 2 plus 3, that is 30. Now 1 by V equal to 5 by 30. That is nothing but 1 by V equal to, yes. So V value we want. V value equal to 30 by 5. So 6. V equal to positive 6. So we have to check the value. See how I got this one means, here I am placing the object is focal length is 15. Correct. Very good. So generally if you are drawing the image formations every time, the image should form between. So here you have to understand. So after that, even though you are doing the problem, so you have to check. Purnation high. You have to check. You have to check here. See, so there is a mistake. That is a sign we didn't take. Here you can see the image always forms between P and F. So we got 30. So how it will be? Because 30 should be here, right? 30 should be at the center of curvature. But always the image will form between P and F. P and F. That's why rechecked once again. So here we did this one. Focal length is positive for convex mirror. That you have to remember. Focal length is always positive. Focal length is positive for convex mirror. Convex mirror. So keep this one in mind. So while doing problems, keep this one in mind. Okay, very, very important point. So still Nitin, so I'll keep like that only, because according to what are the values I consider, you did nice. But we have to take the positive values, make it okay na? Can consider this point. That's enough. Now you got the correct answer. How you got? So here you see between this one only, right? Less than this one only, right? So in between P and F only, right? So P and F means 6. So now our problem is correct. Like that we have to recheck. Like that we have to recheck every time. Clear? Do you have any doubts? Sir, do you teach class 9? Yes, I'll teach class 9 definitely. So those who need classes, you can contact this number. Those who need any classes, you can contact this number. This is the number. This is the number. Okay. So those who need classes, so remaining 6 to 12, any classes, you can 9849812804. This is the WhatsApp number. You can contact this number. You'll get no information. Okay. So that's enough. So like that we have to take. So make it more clear. So recheck every time. Rechecking is very important. After taking the values, so after substituting also, final answer if you get also, still you have to recheck the value with the help of diagram. So that is here in our light chapter we have an advantage. That is, can recheck with the help of diagram. We can with the help of diagram we can recheck. So find the position and nature. Nature is virtual, erect and diminished, and position is, so what is the position? So V equal to plus 6 centimeter. So here plus or minus, how you can understand? Anyway we got here, but still if you want to understand, so this side image will be forming this side, right, in the direction of incident rays according to the sign conventions. According to the sign conventions. So according to the sign conventions, so image is positive. Clear? Understood? So shall we go for one more problem? Next time try. So next time I will just give the hint. Try to do the problems. So here, so next one, a convex mirror. Question is a convex mirror. A convex mirror used for a rear mirror. A convex mirror used for rear mirror convex mirror is used as rear mirror on an automobile okay. So as a radius of curvature of 3 meters. So if a bus is located if a bus is located at 5 meter, so 5 meter from this mirror, from this mirror. So find the position. So they asked about find the position. Nature and size of the image. Size of the image. So this is the question. One check. This is the question. Naveen, hello sir, new student. Hi Naveen. Navita. Navanit. Hi Navanit. So here you can see. So a convex mirror. Once again you can observe a convex mirror. So which mirror it is? Convex mirror. First of all, you have to understand it is a convex mirror. Very good. Correct. Okay, so we got it. So convex mirror. Next one, used for rear view mirror. Okay, convex mirror, rear view. An automobile has a radius of curvature is given. So you can mention R value. So here is R value. If a bus is located, so bus also given. That is object distance. So here is object distance. Bus is nothing but object. So vehicle only, right? So from this mirror, find the position and nature and size of the image. So size of the image also they asked to find out. So here you need to understand one thing. That is, so find the position. So immediately we have to write find the position of find the position is nothing but image distance. We have to find out. Anyway, nature of virtual, erect and diminished image, because nature in the sense, so what type of image will form. So in convex mirror, so by identifying the mirror itself, we have to tell whether it is a concave, whether it is a virtual, erect and diminished, or real or inverted. So we have to understand that one. You have to understand. Okay. Okay. So next one, size of the image we have to find. Size of the image, height of the image. Okay. So shall we find out? Shall we do it? How to do? Just write the formula, mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? Answer. Mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? First of all, write the given data. Radius of curvature is given, right? Radius of curvature. How much is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is 3 meter. Radius of curvature is 3 meter, and object distance how much? Object distance is 5 meter. So anyway, all are in your SI system only. All are in SI system. Once again, a convex mirror used for rear view mirror on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. Okay. If a bus is located, so object distance is given from this mirror. Find the position and nature and size of the image. Okay. So try first of all, take the sign. Okay. So what is the nature of the object and the image? Signs we have to take. So according to the sign conventions only we can do it. If you are not following the sign convention, so previously I did the mistake, right? So same mistakes will repeat again and again. So if you are not following the proper sign, so you must follow the proper signs. Okay. So problems, we do mistakes sometimes. Okay. So by doing mistakes only we can understand what exactly the problem given. So how to solve it. So after knowing the mistakes, again we can do in a better way. Okay. Each and every time whenever you are doing the problems, so identify the data, use the formula, check. Rechecking is very, very important. Whether you did the correct one or not. So we have to check. So here I'm taking. So convex mirror is from rear view mirror, automobile, radius given. Object distance. Object is placed at here. Anyway, object is always negative only, right? Object always negative. Whatever radius of curvature, positive or negative, radius of curvature is nothing but R equal to 2F. Okay, so indirectly then focal length. Indirectly they given focal length. So focal length is positive or negative. For convex mirror, focal length is positive. So R equal to 2F, R equal to 2F, F equal to R by 2. F equal to R by 2, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Anyway, it is in meter, let it be. So keep it like that. Okay, so keep it like that. Now, use the mirror formula for finding what? For finding the image distance. You have to find the image distance. For finding the image distance, we can use 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by V plus 1 by U. So now you can say 1 by F. F value given. So F is 1 by, that is this is the value, F value. So 1 by 3 by 2, I am writing in that way, same only. So even we can convert 1.5 also. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. You can convert. But for doing calculation, so we will get little confusion. So let it be. You no need to change. You no need to change. You no need to convert. Keep it like that. So mention the value 1 by F equal to 3 by 2 and 1 by V value. V value we need to find out. And R value, always see any mirror, it is mirror or lens, always we must take negative sign. Whether it is mirror or lens, whether it is mirror or lens. Why we have to take minus only? Why can't we take plus? Because object must be placed in front of the mirror itself. Object must be placed always in front of the mirror, right? We can't place back side of the mirror. If you take the mirror and see in front only, so if you place mirror in front of us only, we can able to see the objects. Otherwise we can't able to see the object. So that's why I'm saying, so object must be taken always negative. Compulsory you have to take always negative, then only it will be correct. So now I am taking 1 by, so object distance is nothing but, so 5. Now you can take from this, so 1 by V equal to, so it will go anyway, this value if it is goes, plus will get, so 1 by 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So you can take a LCM, so how much you will get? 1 by V equal to, LCM is nothing but 15, so 15 you will get it, right? Yes or no? So 2 5 ja. So better we can cross multiply. That's enough. So if you are getting confusion, how to take LCM, just you do one thing. Just cross multiply. That's enough. Nothing. No need to do anything. Hello. Hey, affection. Hi. So what is your name? Can I know your name? Then we can discuss. I can call on your name. So fine, you can see here 15 I am taking, 15 or not. So 2 5 ja and plus 3. Okay na? So 3 by 3 15. So 5 by 5. Simply see. So we can take the like this also. Sir, I am getting confusion how to take LCM. So you don't need to worry about it. Just multiply, cross multiply. So if you multiply these two, how much you'll get? 15. Otherwise, so accept this value, multiply another value. So 3 by 3 here. And so leaving this value, multiply with this value. Then simple only, right? We'll get. So here 2 into 5 plus. So anyway, here 1 into 3, 3. So here 15, here 15, 15. That's enough. That is a simple way. From Bihar, currently living in Gujarat. Ashwin. Hi, Ashwin. Hey, Ashwin. Anubhav Kumar. Hi, Anubhav Kumar. And Ashwin, very good. Okay, so nice everyone, join to the class. Okay, listen to the class. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So doing problems, light reflection and diffraction. Light reflection and diffraction, we are doing problems. So try to do it. So here you can see how much you will get it. How much you will get here from this one. So 10 plus 3 by 15. 1 by 5, 1 by V equal to, so 13 by 15. Correct? 13 by 15. So do it. How much you will get it? No, V value we want. V value we want. We want only V value. We don't want another value. So V value if you want 15 by 13. 15 by 13. How much you will get? Anyone can solve this one and let me know how much value you will get. 15 by 13. So anyone? So I'm expecting answer from you all. Expecting. Answer is 1.15, I hope. Sir, you know what my name is? 1.15. Very good, Ashwin. Correct. 1.15. Very nice. Great. So Ashwin is the man of the student of the class. Actually, our name is student the brand, right? So our channel name. So let it make a student of the class. Student of the class. So I'm taking Ashwin name here. Ashwin. Very good, Ashwin. 5 star. Those who say correct answer, we are getting 5 star. Not that 5 star, here 5 star. Okay, fine. Nice. So, how much you got the answer? 1.15. So, we need to see this the answer that is in meter. So, we have to write in meters. So, I hope it is clear to you all. So, once again, I'm right. Once again, see. So, each and every time we have to check. Each and every time we have to check whether you did the correct answer or not, whether you did the problem in a correct way or not. We have to check. How to check, sir? We don't know. We just took the values and no substituted and did. Okay, so we got the answer. How can we check? How to check? So whether it is correct or not. Every time. First point. So in easy way, in a simple way. So okay, in effective way, easy way, simple way, effective way, I will teach how to check the problem, how to check the problem, how to identify the problem, how to substitute, and how to get the answer at the same time at the final end. How to check whether whatever we did, it is correct or not. How to check? See here, I am taking a convex mirror. So immediately, whenever you see this word convex mirror, immediately you should get the idea of diagram. So immediately, what is a convex mirror diagram? Convex mirror diagram. Immediately you should get. Okay, so convex mirror. So by knowing the diagram itself, you can understand. So half of the problem you can do in your mind. Half of the problem you can do in your mind. Half of the problem in easy way, simple way. So first one we are taking. Anyway, two cases are there. Two cases are there. Sir, you are from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah. I hope so you watched. You came from Instagram, right? Means after watching the videos from Instagram you came. Or directly from YouTube. Okay, done. Anyway, so yes. Right now I'm living in Hyderabad. Okay. So that's enough. My guess. Oh. How it is possible? Anubhav, right? Anubhav, your name. Direct from YouTube. Hey. Nice. Okay, done. Come to the point here. So convex mirror. So use rear mirror. Definitely see. Convex mirror used for rear mirror. Means in front of the mirror only. By your vocabulary. Hey. You're intelligent here. You're intelligent. How did you know that one? Very nice. I can understand. Okay, done. Come to the point. Radius of curvature. See, radius of curvature is given. Okay. So object is placed. Definitely, if the object is placed in front of the mirror, if the object is placed in front of the mirror, if the object is placed in front of the mirror, that is like a finite object itself. Finite object. If it is infinity, means the point image will form. But so a finite object, if you are taking, so image will form. So if you are placing the object in front of the convex mirror, so the image will form between P and F. Correct? Yes. So if the image is forming between P and F, see here, radius of curvature is given. Radius of curvature is how much? So 3 meters. So how much you got focal length? Focal length is 1.5, right? 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter. So by seeing this value, you should conclude that image must form less than this value. Okay. So image must be formed. So between P and F. That is nothing but in front of between P and F. So in this range only the image should form. That is nothing but 0 to 1.5. 0 to 1.5 range only the image should form. So that is the second point. That is the second point. Hey, come on. Very nice. So good. So here you can see I'm taking 0 to 1.5, 0 to 1.5. So image should form between 0 to 1.5. So that's enough. That's enough. So you know the answer, right? You know the answer. Already you know the answer. But so you have to prove it. You have to prove it. That's enough. That is the only thing. So how to prove it? So anyway, radius of curvature we got 3. So radius of curvature is 3. R equal to 2f. F equal to R by 2. That is nothing but 3 by 2. That is nothing but 1.5. So F value you got, and object distance anyway it is negative. So we took from the problem. So that is minus 5. Minus 5 meter, minus 5 meter. So 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by 3 by 5. That is nothing but 1.5. And 1 by V plus. So object distance anyway, object distance anyway it is minus 5. Because always object distance. So you have to take minus only. Object sign, object sign, object sign, object sign, always it should be minus, because object must be placed in front of the mirror itself. Without placing the object, how you will get image? Logic only, right? Without placing the object, we can't get image, right? We can't get image. Sir, I have a question not regarding to this. Gravity is really a force. It is a phenomena created by the okay, so Ankush, so definitely thank you for joining. First of all, I'm very glad. I'm very glad. Okay, so you are here. So I'm very happy about you. So by joining and asking the question, definitely I can answer. Definitely I can answer, because it is so intense with so much intention. So with a high intensity, I'm teaching this no problem. So let me finish it. So definitely we'll discuss about it. Okay. So if you know the answer, you can answer me. So definitely I will listen. I'm ready to learn also. I'm ready to learn. So if you say, definitely I'm a good learner. I'm good listener also. If you say the answer, definitely I will accept. Definitely I will take it. Even if you are asking questions also, definitely I will accept it. Sir, currently I am studying for an entrance exam. Can you help me doing numericals for magnetic field from the chapter, please? Definitely. So definitely I will do it. Okay, contact to this number. So this number 98498-12804. We'll do the problems. We'll do the problems. Everything we'll do. So just contact to this number. Whoever need help, or whoever need support, or whoever need classes. Okay. So you can contact to this number. Definitely will work out. We will discuss. Okay, together. So based on that one, we will go in with the best possible way. Okay, Ankush. So definitely, Ankush, will work out. Okay, so those points are no beyond the point. Beyond the point. If you discuss notes, I'm placing one point here. So just one example I'll take. I'm placing one point here. Okay. So exactly where you are placing with the help of x-axis and y-axis only we can say. With the help of x-axis and y-axis only we can say. Okay. So the position of the particle. Without knowing the position of the particle, I placed in the air. So describe about it means, so we can't able to describe properly. Means with the effective manner we can't able to describe. Maybe we can describe the particle with the help of x-axis and y-axis. Certain distance is there, and from certain distance from x-axis, certain distance from y-axis. So with the help of coordinate axis, the particle is present in the air. Like that we can decide. But the entire particular topic, so especially in physics, it's like a lot of depth. We can't able to describe. If you are seeing in one way, in another direction, so there is a possibility to discuss. There is a possibility to debate also. Okay, so I will discuss. So definitely I am very interested to discuss. Okay, so with the people, with the multiple questions, with in-depth questions, more concept. Okay, let me complete this question, then I will come to you. Definitely we'll work out on it. So we are going with the with the intensifier with the intensifier. Okay, come to the point. A convex mirror, definitely. So keep in mind, always keep in mind one thing. Keep in mind one thing. Always you have to keep in mind one thing. That is, convex mirror means immediately you should get the image of the diagram. Okay, so convex mirror image. So used for rear view mirror. Definitely rear view mirror means finite object. Object is placed in front of the convex mirror. So here under radius is given. Okay, radius how much? Radius is 3 meter. Radius is 3 meter. By that we can find out the focal length. What is the focal length? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. That is nothing but 1.5. So here by finding the focal length, itself, by finding the focal length, by understand the focal length, by getting the focal length itself, you have to understand. Book again. Mirror magnification is image height by is equal to minus. No. He is asking about the magnification from this chapter. Oh, thank you, Saham. Okay, so come to the point here. Come to the point. Focal length is completed. So by using mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So substitute the value 3. See, if you can substitute 1.5 also directly. So for calculation we can. So for calculation we won't get that much in easy way. So better you keep it the value. The same value can keep in that. Okay, same value, let it be, and substitute in this formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So in that formula only if you substitute, so we can do calculation like nothing but okay, LCM we can take in easy way. So if you don't know how to take LCM, sir, I don't know how to take the LCM, so I'm getting confusion. Simple way, easy way, just multiply. So this with multiply this number with this one. Okay, so with 3, so you can multiply 5. So 2 by 3, that is nothing but 5 by 5. So with 5 you can multiply 3. So 3 by 3. Then you will get the answer. So in easy way you can get the answer. So that is nothing but 1 by v equal to, so 2 into 5 plus, anyway 1 into 3 is 3. So 3 5 is how much? 15. So 2 5 is how much? 10 plus 3 by 15. So 13 by 15. So 1 by v equal to 13 by 15. 1 by v equal to 13 by 15. So v equal to, so 15 by 13, nothing but 1.5. See, now you verify this one. So verify this one, whether you are getting correct or not. Verify this one. Yes or no? So here 1.5. So here you can see the focal length is 1.5. So focal length is 1.5. 1.5. So we got image distance. Image distance is 1.15. So it is nothing but only 1.15. Definitely will work out. Sir, if light has no mass, how it can exert pressure or push an object? It was asked last year in this field competitive exams. Please explain. So yeah, but at level of J. Push the object. So do you have the question? If you have the question, just let me know. So if you read the complete sentence only, we can understand the question. Okay, but part of the question we can take a part. So if you are taking a small part and you can ask, so that is definitely I can agree. But if you read the complete question, so by that we can understand what exactly the question, how they given. So with what concept, with related to what concept they given, we can understand. Okay, so by using E equal to mc square also they may given. So energy equal to mass into 8 p.m. today. No, actually I am taking 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock you can see. Every day I am taking 9 o'clock. So every day I am taking 9 o'clock. So that is a fixed time. Every day you can come and join 9 o'clock. So today also I'm discussing light reflection refraction chapter every day at 9 o'clock. Every day at 9 to maybe 10, 10:30 also it will be. Maximum 1 hour I will take 9 to 10 because it time depends also. So maximum 9 to 10 you can join. 9 to 10 you can join. 9 to 10. So it is more than, if it is beyond the point also fine. So until 10:30 based on the questions, number of questions and concept what I'm teaching. So if it is beyond, if it is prolonged, if it is extended, so based on that one until 10:30, so it will be extended. Maximum 1 hour, the 1 hour class will be there every day at 9 p.m. you can join. Okay, every day at 9 p.m. you can join. Clear? So do you have any doubts? So let me see. 1.15. So 1 point is nothing but 1 point. Okay, 1.15 means within this one. So our answer is correct. Blindly you fix it. Once you decide, no. So dialogue is there. Once I decided, I will not listen myself itself. It's different. Okay. So here also, if you see this one, blindly you fix it. Answer is correct. Blindly you fix it. Why, sir, you are saying that much? Okay, with more confidence, with that much confidence, because we believed the process. We believed the process. We no need to believe. We no need to buy heart. We no need to do anything. We follow the process. That's why automatically you'll get that answer. Automatically you'll get the answer. How? So values I consider, mirror I took. So diagram, see, whenever they given mirror, immediately diagram. So diagram check. Okay, so checking first. Second thing, object distance, what are the values they given? So among, so in this formula, what are the values are given? First write the values. First write the values with the sign conventions, with the sign conventions, with the sign conventions, with sign conventions. Identify, check the values, take the values, with the help of sign conventions, write the values whatever they given. So object distance, image distance, focal length, whatever they given. First you have to check the sign conventions. Even in the before also I said it is positive, but see, with the confidence we will write, but after solving we may answer we will not get in a correct way, because where we do mistake, generally the mistakes will happen here only. So generally we do mistakes here, where while taking the sign conventions, only we do mistake generally. If you take correctly, if you take the sign conventions in a proper way, exact way, so blindly you can go for substituting the values. So only the sign conventions, here the sign conventions are the key role. Okay, so it plays extraordinary role, major role, sign conventions. So many times whenever you are taking the object distance, image distance, immediately the sign convention should be here. So immediately the sign convention should appear here. So in front of you. Okay, so maybe only you can see. No one will see. Knowledge can be seen by us only, not by others. Yes, so definitely I am okay. So I agree. So I'm accepted. So definitely be a like what we can say, healthy environment. So try to talk with each other with a healthy environment. So no need to post messages on each other. So definitely go with the normal conversation. So this is my request to everyone. Okay. So come to the point. Sign conventions, after sign conventions. Point number 1, mirror image. Point number 2, values. What are the quantities like object distance, image distance, what are the given data? So I can say given data and sign convention. Interlinking topics. You have to interlink. You have to link. If you want to build a strong, strong mindset to do the numericals. So in easy way. So whenever you do also, if you want to get in easy way, you must follow these rules. These rules will applicable for any problem. You can solve any problem by taking these standards. First one, mirror image. Second one, data. So given data, sign convention. So check the point. Third one, formula substitution. Anyway, in easy method. So that one we can do it, but still this is a easy method. If it is in a small values, we can do it. If it comes to bigger value, you must follow this farmer method. That is 1 by So whatever method we are following, so that method we have to follow. Clear? So after substituting here, we will get this answer. So here last final point is this is the final. This is the final. Whether you are getting correct or not, whether you did correct or not, to check the problems, to check the problem whether we did correct or not. So without knowing, without seeing the answers, these are the fact checking. Okay. So we will get the message from the social media. So that one, this one. How can we check? With the standard one, with the main source, Here also the main source is focal length. With the help of focal length only we can identify the image distance. Anyway. Hey, what is your name? Brash Bandit. Can I know your name? Momentum is correct. That all I said, no. But I didn't explain, but correct only. What is your name? Okay, done. So nice. Nice discussion. Healthy discussion. Definitely I agree. Now you can see. That's enough. Fact checking. So with the focal length and image, focal length is this one. So image must be formed. Image must be formed between P and F. Image must be formed between P and F. Correct or not? Let me know. Image must be formed between P and F. Is it clear? So every day 11 o'clock I will take class. Every day 11 o'clock. So we will discuss. Healthy discussion will be there. So definitely very good. So I hope your name, whatever name is there. So so thank you so much. Your name, definitely okay. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt with that? Okay. So now can we find out? Oh my God. Can we find out one more problem? So we did until size of the image they asked now. Can we do it? Size of the image. How to do it? Size of the image. Anybody can tell the answer? Anybody can tell the answer? Anybody? If you know the answer, let me know. Size of the image. So they asked about size of the image, right? Can you say anybody size of the image? Hey, hi. Height of the image only. Height of the image. So we can use the magnification formula. So here I'm saying. So we got, remember this value, v equal to 1.5 and object distance also. Size of the image, magnification equal to height of the image by height of the object. That is nothing but minus v by u. So we know the values. How much we got? V equal to 1.15 meter and object distance is equal to, it is a curvature, bus is located 5 meter. So minus object distance minus image distance is positive. So here so we don't know the right. So with the help of this one we can say, okay, object height they didn't give. So with the factor also we can say instead of this one. So two ways we can tell. We can tell in the two ways. So I'm taking one way is height of the image. So we can also consider in this way, that is nothing but minus v by u. So minus 1.15 by minus, so positive, right, object image distance. So positive, then 1.15 by 5. Correct? So if you do LCM, how much? If you solve this one, how much you'll get? Either this way we can say, or height of the image by height of the object. So minus 1.15 by minus 5. So if you are taking height of the image equal to 1 by 1.5 by 5 into height of the object. Like this also we can tell. In that way also. By the factor of this we can tell, or by this like this also we can say. Clear? So let me know. I hope I got the answer. 0 point. The factor is 0.3 magnification. So the image is virtual erect and smaller in the size of factor of 0.23. Rishit, hi. Himank, hi. Okay, do you have any doubts? Okay, so let me know if you have any doubts. Otherwise, we'll go to the next one. Yeah, thoda. पूरा नहीं, थोड़ा आता. Okay, done. So shall I write one more question? So I will write one more question. Try it. So if you have any doubts, we'll see. So I'll write one more question. So anybody, if you are able, if you are doing, let me know. 11 o'clock I'll be taking class. So those who need any support regarding physics or regarding classes, okay, so those are preparing for competitive or JEE, NEET level and grade 10, grade 12, grade 11. So you can contact me, or you can not only grade 11, 12, 10, JEE, NEET and ncert. So 6 to 12 you can okay. Hey Rishi, very good. Nice. Hey Deepak, hello, hi. I'll write one question, try to do it. So I'm writing one question. So question. So an object 4 centimeter is in size. 4 centimeter in size. An object is 4 centimeter in size. 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter at what distance? At what distance from the mirror? From the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image, find the nature and the size of the image. Okay, so now anyone can try this one. Okay, Deepak. Deepak, so I said the previous also thoda Hindi aata. So you can if you type in English, I can understand and answer it. So it's a request from you and from me. It's a request from me to you. So definitely I will. No, what I understood is by your message. So tomorrow onwards your college is starting. So you are little bit anxiety mode. So to focus on study or friendship or like that. So I can understand college time will not get, sir, from so I'll tell one point. So one question at a time. So it's request. So you can see. So this is the question. Try to focus on the question. So try to do it. So I'm going for homework. This question tomorrow 11 o'clock. You can join everyone. Tomorrow 11 o'clock. So homework. So I will explain this question. If you know the answer, you can let me know. So try to do it. So this question, third one. So this is the third one. Third question. Question number 3. We can say question number 3. Okay. So mention question number 3 tomorrow. Then definitely I'll answer it. That's enough. That is about. College is important. College life is important. So at the same time, college life is very important. At the same time, you have to focus on studies. Compulsory, we have to focus on studies. At the end, what you will remember is what you achieved. That is only final. See here. So I hope some Aspina, some name is. So here I mentioned the student the brand 10 years experience in physics teaching. So that is Siva sir, BTech mechanical. Okay, I completed BTech. So I'm from mechanical branch. Yes. Okay, so take two things in a balanced mode, I can say. So whatever time you are spending in the college, at the same time on studies also. See, college life is completely different. I'm not saying completely you are left. You'll be left uncare. So definitely care will be there. Definitely everyone will be taking care of you. Okay, regarding your studies, regarding well, everything. But so whatever you do, So do with a whole heart. See, right from starting onwards, those who are joining in college, like IIT and NIT, like whatever the college you are considering. So after intermediate, so right from starting, so fix one goal, fix one goal, target for it, target for it. So how many years it will take, we don't know to reach your goal. But so towards your goal, your direction must be towards your goal. That is very, very important. Your direction is very important. So how many years it will take to reach, how many hours it will take to reach, so whether we will reach within time limit or not, so it's a different scenario. So completely it's a different scenario, it's a different topic. So you no need to think about within how many years, within 2 years or 3 years, 4 years, I have to reach this goal, I have to fix this goal, I have to no, at any cost I have to go with this. Yeah, definitely those boundaries compulsory it is required. Yes, compulsory it is required. Those boundaries are compulsory required. So compulsory we need to fix the goals and work. So direction. So your mindset at the same time, whatever the situation it is, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, fix and focus on one goal. Take only one goal. First take on one goal. Okay, take one goal. So make it your habit, whether you are sleeping or whether you are wake up, whether you are doing any work. So your focus must be on one goal. Focused on one goal. So focus on only one goal and day and night. Okay, so day and night work for the goal. So do hard work, do your efforts, do all your efforts to reach the goal. Definitely one or some other day you will reach your goal. Okay, so that day your days, okay, so whatever early mornings, late nights, whatever, how much work you did, everything will be waived off. Only your result will be shine, your hard work will be shine, your no goal will be shine. Then definitely your success will speak, your success will speak. Definitely one day your success will speak. So focus, work towards your goal, go in the direction of your goal. So what we can say, collect the inputs to reach the goal. That is very, very important. Collect the inputs. So what are the inputs required for reaching the goal? That is very important. Collect the inputs. So day by day, one by one, consistently. Okay, so with the small efforts, so we no need to do big moves, we can take small efforts with a great heart. Small efforts with a great heart. So do and move with a small steps, so with a great heart, extraordinary way, that we can do it. Small step with a great heart, in an extraordinary way we can do it, right? Sir, because of our mark shows the result of study throughout the academic year in college. Yeah, of course, definitely I'll agree. So actually I'm the BTech topper. Okay, so in the college I'm the BTech topper. So I am no very affectionate, I am very interested towards academics, definitely. So because academics gives the best thing to us, to our thoughts, our like whatever daily habits, whatever we are doing. So definitely it will reach your goal. I am saying whether you reach today or tomorrow, it doesn't matter. Focusing, moving towards your goal until unless you give up, definitely you will be a successful person. Okay, thank you so much. So I hope this session is hopeful it is helpful to you all. So if it is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Actually, see, you can check my channel, affection. So I couldn't recognize you. You can check my channel. You can check my channel. How it is, you can understand. How it is, you can understand. Check my channel. Check. You can check my channel. Once you see how much efforts I kept towards the goal. How much efforts, because I am very passionate. More than passion, I can say it's more than passion. More than passion. So in one movie, so it will a dialogue is there, so we can't able to say that one right now. So it is a more than a passion, more than a passion, beyond the point. You can check my channel how it is from when onwards I am working on this. Okay na? So in the field, definitely see efforts are matters. Efforts are matters. Efforts are definitely efforts. Effort, small effort or big effort, that doesn't matter. Efforts. Do your effort sincerely. Do your effort sincerely with the whole heart. With the whole heart, do your efforts. Definitely one day you'll reach. I believe that point. Maybe. So there are 3 lanes: fast lane, intermediate lane, and slow lane. There are 3 ways to reach the success. Fast lane is different, intermediate lane is different, slow lane is different. So every person have their own time. Okay, now every person have their own time, no, their own clock to reach their goal, to reach their success. So your clock will come, your day will come, your time will come. That day you reach the point, that's enough. So KFC founder, so he started his journey. So 60 years or 60 years more than that. He reached so that position at 80 years. He reached the success. He saw that success at 8 years. So it is not about how many years. Okay, you do your best. You do your work. Do your efforts. One day definitely will reach success. See, those who are working so hardly for competitive exams like UPSC, like you can say J NEET students. So the topper will get easily. What about remaining students? And some people, they will take a drop. Why? It depends on their clock. That's enough. It's not about immediately how to success. What are you doing? It is not the matter. So the point is, only do your work. Do your work with a whole heart, with sincere efforts. So my point of view is that only. So maybe a different perspective, different accepts, different scenario will be there, different situations will be there. So for everyone, one day will come. One day will come. So that day, so you see yourself how you want to see. Thank you so much, sir. I'm seeing your stream from Midkota. Thank you, sir. Hey. So I want just to spread a word regarding the YouTube channel. Spread a small word regarding the YouTube channel. Student the brand. See, student. See, yeah. So whatever I kept student the brand. Whoever learns, those will become brand. Okay, you know the brand meaning, what it is, how it is. So that's the reason I no need to motivate. I no need to like encourage. I no need to do anything. So by seeing the channel name itself, students will get that motivation. They will get the energy. So that is the reason. So I kept the name itself, student the brand. Those who learn continuously will become one day like a brand. Okay. Thank you so much. So I'm very happy to discuss with you all. I'm very happy you people are joining to my class and discussing with me. So try to join. 11 o'clock I will start taking classes, and every day I'm taking at have a nice day, sir. Thank you so much. Every day I'm taking at 9 o'clock. Join to that class. That class is very effective. So not like it's every class is effective only. Every class is a diamond only. But evening time, more people will join. More doubts will be there. So more discussions will be there. Try to join at that time. So we'll discuss more. So this is Shiva sir from Student the Brand signing off. Thank you.